Yes, diving service here. We're at March 11th at the vessel Facination. It is a 53 Hatteras. It does not have a bow thruster. It does not have a stabilizer. We have not cleaned it yet. That hopefully will help the bottom painters estimate the price that it's going to be. There are blisters on the hull. It definitely needs bottom paint. I think there's quite a few intakes and shaft coupler and some other things. So let's just take a look. We're going to start on the starboard side of the boat and move to the port. Quite a few large blisters on the hull and a lot of micro blistering, but there are no stabilizers and there are no bow thrusters. Okay.